Joe from Tosh Tires. I've got a Seat Ibiza here on a 2007 plate. We'll just show you something. I've just done the MOT on this and there's a few things on here. So you've got the water level low, which I'll top that up in a minute. The screen washer is not working, but the main thing is it's the headlight bulb. The beam image was incorrect. Now if I show you something, if you look at this bulb right inside there, can you see how that's centralized? So this is pretty good. And on this side here, you can see slightly off balance inside here. So whoever's fitted the bulb in has fitted it incorrectly. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure on this one, but I will show you. Usually when you're driving behind someone with bulbs like that, you'll be basically blinding them. As you can see right there, on the driver's side front is way off, and the passenger side one is pretty good. Now to do it, it's easy. So all you do is, you've got a cover on the back here, you've got a clip here and then clip on the other side. You take the cover out. On the inside right there, that's the bulb you're looking at. And now whoever's fitted this bulb in, he's fitted it incorrectly. So what I need to do is unplug it first. So you've got to be gentle. Now you can see the bulb itself. You see how it's fitted in? It's fitted in correctly. So the lug on the top, that needs to be centralized. So if I push this in, move the spring back, I then take the bulb out and then realign it. Realign the bulb. There we go. That's realigned. Push the spring back in. And now that's realigned now. That's all you got to do on the bulb. And if the bulb isn't working, you can always replace it. It's a H7 bulb. There's another one right there for the main full beam, sorry. That could be replaced really easily. And by removing this cover here, that's for the side light and the indicator bulb. Now we're just going to see. So if you look at the bulb now, on the inside, you can see how centralized that one is. Look at it. All I do is start her up, switch the lights on, and you can see right there. That's lovely now. That's all you got to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can, and do put everything back together as well. If you've removed the cover, I will put that in a minute. But that's it, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video. Thank you, goodbye.